Let me ask you one question. Just one question. Why are you on social media? Social media can be very dynamic, emotional, influential. For sure, it's influential. Just make sure that you have a positive mindset. You are ready for whatever it is that you will see. Welcome everyone to my channel. My name is Jackie D, and my goal is to empower you, to help you build your self-esteem, especially because social media can be a little bit negative. You know, when we're on social media, we also become a part of it. We start posting, we start telling our stories, and that is perfect. You want to be able to share your story and be proud of yourself. In anything that you do on social media, keep in mind that you are sharing something. It is because you feel that passion, that urge to share that part of your day or of your life. We can't deny the fact that sometimes other people's posts might cause us to lose a little bit of confidence in ourselves. So these are the things that we have to remember when we are on social media. Number one, you see your friends, your connections liking other people's posts, and then they're not liking yours. And then you start feeling down. When that happens, remember, there are many reasons why people are liking similar posts and are not liking yours. Don't take your post down just because you have a few likes. That doesn't mean your post is not important. Remember, your Instagram is your way of sharing your story. I have someone tell me how frustrated they are on social media because they think that the other people, their friends, are out there to get them. There's no competition. If you're creating that competition in your mind, then you are already setting yourself up for failure. If you see people doing so well, let that be your inspiration to also do your best. Don't beg for followers. Don't beg for likes. You want people to follow you because they like your posts, because they are inspired by you. Just look at this. You have 10 people here who you begged to follow you, even if you're not in the same genre. And you have 2 people here who voluntarily followed you because they like what you post. These 10 people will eventually leave. Why? Because they can't relate to your platform. These 2 will stay. These 2 will talk about you. These 2 will share your posts. Value those that appreciate you. Thank them. Which brings me to my final tip. Do not buy followers. I do not suggest joining groups that say follow for follow, because if you don't share the same platform, you don't share the same passion, you're not going to be on the same page. Collaborations are good because you share something similar. I am so thankful to those who follow me on Instagram, on social media, on YouTube, because I know that I didn't buy you. No, just kidding. Because I know that you are here because you think that my platform is useful, because I think that you find my content helpful. Because that's my goal. I'm here talking to you because I want to be able to provide you with value. So that should always be our intention when we go on social media. We want to be entertained. We want to be informed, educated. We want to also inform. We want to also share something. And that is what will make your experience on social media rich and empowering. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to give me a like, punch that like button, and comment and share. And also subscribe to my channel, and let's share positivity and empowerment. And I have a blog, jackied.com. Come visit, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.